One UI 8.5 is here, and there's some new features to talk about. Today, I want to dive into just one, and that feature is storage share. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. And just a few days ago, Samsung took the wraps off the beta program for One UI 8.5. In their press release, they spoke about a new feature called storage share, explained how you can actually access storage from another device on another device. And I kind of thought this already existed in One UI 8, but I feel like now it's more fleshed out, and it's probably at a point now where I can actually demonstrate it to a good degree. So let's show you how storage share works, or kind of explain the concept first and then demonstrate it. So the concept that Samsung are touting with storage share is the ability to be able to access files from one device on another, whether that be a tablet, whether it be another phone, or even something like a monitor. You can access the storage from your phone on another device. Whole point being is if you needed to cross-platform work, or not cross-platform, if you need to cross-work across your ecosystem, you can access something from your tablet on your phone, or on your phone from your tablet. That's the whole purpose. So storage share is here to sort of connect all of that together. So let's go in and show you how it works. So on my phone here, I'm going to go into nearby devices. What it's going to see here is you can see a sort of floating device range. So what's here? I've got my smart monitor, which is in front of me. Got my Tablet 11 Ultra, which is here. My Fold 7, which is connected to my smart monitor. And my Fold 6, which is acting as a camera monitor. So Samsung devices everywhere. So I'm going to use the Tablet 11 Ultra for this. So I'm going to drag Tablet 11 Ultra into here. And you can see there's a whole bunch of toggles that I can enact because of the device that this is. So what I want to do, not multi-control, although I could, not camera share, although I can, not auto hotspot, although I can. I want to do storage share. I click on storage share and it kind of gives me a breakdown. It lets you browse the pictures, music, and files on your phone or tablet directly from your PC without a USB connection. So I don't need to connect these with a cable. Wirelessly, I can access it. So I hit details and it sort of shows you that details screen. It does need to be signed into the same Samsung account, just letting you know. I hit OK, turn it on, and then I need to switch it. So I need to switch it from my S25 Edge to the Tab S11 Ultra because it looks like it can only be done one at a time. There should need to be a allow coming up on the tablet in a moment. So we'll just give that some time to process that. You won't have to wait though. Hit allow. And then I can open it. So in this list here, you can see what is on my tablet. So I've got, a download album with PDFs and various sort of documents. I've got a photo album where there's not much on here because let's face it, who's actually using the camera on a tablet? Got screenshots that I can access and take a look at. You can see I can open them up. There we go. That's on here, right? And now that's being just opened wirelessly on my tablet. Go to nearby devices here. On my Tablet 11 Ultra. Yes. Okay. Let's see if I can go back the other way and access the phone. So I'll put my S25 Ultra here. So for the time being, storage share looks like you can only access it from the phone. I can't go on here and access the phone storage. It's only this way round. So let's try it again. I've disconnected it from my S25 Ultra. Let's grab my S25 Ultra into here. It's still not there. So for the time being, the only way you can share storage is from the S25 Ultra and access it on this device. Can't go back the other way. So hopefully that means that once everything gets 8.5, it can go back and forth. But just really, this was a quick video to showcase how storage share works between one device and the other with One UI 8.5. Editing Dan, just cutting in here. Storage share is available on devices running One UI 8, but it only is compatible with a PC or a monitor. It doesn't actually work from phone. And sort of within the Android ecosystem, it's sort of designed to connect to a Samsung laptop or a Samsung PC, basically, or a monitor. So that storage share feature is just being expanded. So it's not necessarily new, but the way it works through the nearby devices and connecting with the ecosystem, that's new. That is what's going to be changing with One UI 8.5 and how it's going to work. That's exciting. That's an exciting update, and one that I think, again, creates this beast in Samsung's ecosystem, and one that I'm looking forward to seeing just push on the more they sort of develop. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV. Go check out our full complete guide for One UI 8.5, where we break down everything. Go check out our social media. Go check us out on our website, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.